I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text edit in Alight Motion. First, open your project and tap the plus icon to add a new text layer. You can then type your desired text. Next, use the Text tab to adjust its position on the screen. Explore the font options to select a style that fits your vision and easily change the text size and color to match your project's aesthetic. These fundamental steps are crucial for any text-based design. Moving beyond the basics, let's dive into advanced text properties. You can fine-tune your text's appearance by adjusting character spacing, which controls the distance between individual letters. Line spacing, also known as leading, manages the vertical space between lines of text. Experiment with alignment options like left, center, or right to achieve a balanced layout. Don't forget to add a stroke or shadow for extra visual impact, making your text truly stand out. Now, let's bring your text to life with animation and effects. You can animate properties such as position, scale, and opacity using keyframes to create dynamic entrances or exits. Alight Motion offers a variety of built-in text effects, like text transform or wipe, which can add professional flair with just a few taps. For truly unique movements, master the art of custom keyframe animation, allowing for precise control over every aspect of your text's motion. To achieve a polished and professional look, consider these expert tips. Always prioritize readability. Select font combinations that are easy to read, especially for smaller text. Maintain consistency in your text styles, including font, size, and color, across your entire video project for a cohesive feel. Finally, explore blending modes to integrate your text seamlessly with background elements, creating unique and visually appealing compositions that elevate your overall design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.